Hello student. Again we start chapter number 5 fractions. In this video we read about the exercise 5F. In this exercise we read about the subtraction of fractions. We learned in previous videos there are two types of fractions. First, like fraction, second, unlike fractions. Now, first we read about the subtraction of like fractions. Now, there is a rule in our book. Difference of like fractions is equals to difference of their numerator upon common denominator. Okay? Now, first we read First, we simplify the question number second in our exercise 5E. Now, this question is 7 upon 12 minus 5 upon 12. Now, in this question, there are like fractions 7 upon 12 and 5 upon 12 because in these fractions denominator are same, it is 12. So now we have to subtract them. What will we do this? We subtract only the numerators, not the denominator. You will subtract only the numerator. In this question, we subtract 5 upon 12 from 7 upon 12. Then we subtract 7 minus 5. So we get the answer 2. Now we get the answer 2 upon 12. It's not a simplest form. So we convert it into the simplest form. We will divide them by 2 because they both are divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 6 are 12. So we get the answer 1 upon 6. Now we see this is already in the simplest form. We need not solve it further. Yes, now it's an important thing. Always remember you solving subtraction in fractions, you have to make the answer into the simplest form, otherwise mixed fractions cannot live till here 2 upon 12. You have to make the simplest form of the fraction like 1 upon 6. Okay. Now we start the next heading, subtraction of unlike fraction. Now there is a rule in our book, change the given fractions into equivalent like fraction and then subtract. Now let us solve this example. The example is subtract 3 5 by 9 from 5 1 by 6. Now we know these fractions are mixed fraction. So first we convert these mixed fraction into the improper fraction. Now first we convert this 5 1 upon 6 into the improper fraction. First we multiply by 6 and 5. We multiply it. It's a 30. Then we add this 1. So the answer is 31. So improper fraction is 31 upon 6. In second, first we multiply these two digits. 9 multiplied by 3, it's 27. Then we add this 5, so we get the answer 32. So our improper fraction is 32 upon 9. Now in this question, subtract 3 5 by 9 from 5 1 upon 6. What does that means? That we have to write them like this: 5 1 upon 6 minus 3 5 upon 9, because you have to subtract 3 5 upon 9 from 5 1 upon 6. Now see, both the denominators are different, so we have to make them same. What will we do this? We will take out the LCM. How to take out? Now in this process we got the 2 3 and 3. So the LCM of 6 and 9 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 is 18. So now I need to make equivalent fraction of 31 by 6 with denominator 18. So 13 upon 6 with a equivalent to some fraction with denominator 18, and also we need to make equivalent fraction of 32 upon 9 with denominator 18. Now how can we do this? First we multiply by 3 in first and multiply by 3 in numerator also, because we multiply 3 in both numerator and denominator, so it convert into a equivalent fraction. Now we multiply it. 31 multiplied by 3 is 93. 6 multiplied by 3 is 18. Now in the second term we do the same process. We multiply by 2 in 9, so we get the denominator 18, and we multiply by 2 in the denominator numerator also, so we get the 64. Now we get 93 upon 18 minus 64 upon 18. Now these fractions are like fractions because the denominators are same, so we easily subtract them like this. 93 minus 64 upon 18, it's a 29 upon 18. Now it's a improper fraction, so we convert it into the mixed fraction. Now how to convert it? We just divide 29 by 18. It's a 1, 18 minus, we get the 11. Now how to write it? We just push this, यस ये पहले भी बताया था कि 18 यहाँ नीचे आएगा, वो इसको पुश करेगा, तो ये 11 कहाँ जाएगा? ऊपर। और वो 11 अब इस 1 को पुश करेगा और ये 1 कहाँ जाएगा? सेंटर में। मीन्स 18 कहाँ जाएगा अब? नीचे। और ये 11 कहाँ जाएगा? ऊपर। और ये 1 अब कहाँ जाएगा? सेंटर में। ओके, आया समझ में कैसे लिखा जाता है? नाउ इट इज द आंसर ऑफ आवर सम 111 by 18. Now we take one more example. It's a simplify. Now 5 1 upon 6 minus 3 1 upon 4 plus 3 1 upon 3 plus 4. Now we have this. Now you see this in it, these three fractions are in mixed fraction. So first we convert it into a improper fraction. Now we convert it into an improper fraction. So we get 31 upon 6 minus 13 upon 4 plus 10 upon 3 plus 4. And अब जिसमें डिनोमिनेटर नहीं होता है हम उसमें 1 लगा सकते हैं. Okay, now then we take the LCM of these. LCM of 6 4 3 1 is 12. कैसे निकाला? Like this. Okay, now we convert this as a like fraction. So we convert it into a like fraction. How to convert it? Now in this fraction we multiply by 2 in both denominator and numerator. So we get 62 upon 12. And next in this fraction we multiply by 3. So we get 39 upon 12. In this we multiply this by 4. So we get 40 upon 12. And in this fraction we multiply by 12 in both numerator and denominator. So we get 48 upon 12. Now these all are like fractions. So we solve it like this. We write the denominator as a common denominator and we write the all digits are same. So first we add 62 and 40 and 48. We add this, these are 150 and we remain the same minus 39 cause it's a negative. So we'll leave it the same. Now 150 minus 39 we get 111 upon 12. So it's a improper. Now we simplify it. We cut this by 3. 3 4 ja 12 and 3 37 ja 111. So we get 337 upon 4. It's an improper fraction, so we convert it into a mixed fraction. How to convert it? We just divide it. First 37 divided by 4. Now 4 9s are 36. Then we subtract it. we get the answer 1. 1 is remainder. So again, how to write it? This and this. So ये 4 आया नीचे, इसने इस 1 को किया पुश, ये गया ऊपर, एंड ये 9 कहाँ आ गया? सेंटर में. So answer is 9, 1 upon 4. It's our answer. Now students, our exercise 5F is also completed. Now your chapter number 5 is completed. So you do the all exercise of chapter 5 in your notebook. Okay. Now our chapter number 5 is completed.